Okay, good morning mga kaboombox. Again, this is Mr. Bombastic. And I've recently purchased this Z Friend KA981 98 keys mechanical keyboard. Hindi ko lang kung French to. Z Friend. You know, my friend, Z Friend. I've been using this keyboard for, I would say, almost 2 weeks now. Hindi ko siya vinidyohan agad kasi gusto ko munang matesting para malaman ko kung okay ba siya or hindi. So far, with its performance, I would say okay na. Nabili ko pala ito sa Shopee for around 888 pesos. Syempre kung i-compare mo siya sa ibang mechanical keyboard, you would think na, or you would definitely say that it's definitely a lot cheaper kasi kung titingin ka ng medyo branded, I would say it's like gonna be times 3, times 5 to a minimum, right? Pero with the Z Friend, again, it's a lot cheaper. So again, 98 keys siya, hindi siya yung full size keyboard. Ang maganda sa 98 keys ay may separate siyang buttons or key for the arrow keys. Things that I like about this keyboard is, yun nga, hindi siya ganun kalaki, hindi rin siya ganun kaliit. And ang maganda sa kanya, number 1, may separate siyang keys for the arrows. Also, aside from that, meron din siyang separate number kasi yung 61 keys kasi usually ang numbers kasi nandito lang sa taas. Wala siyang keypad dito sa side dito. Pero for this one, kinompress siya ng konti and may included siya na keypad. Now, when it comes to the lighting, so ganyan ang standard niya na fix. Pero ang ilaw niya, nababago mo naman siya. Meron siyang button dito. Ayan. And then, pindutin mo lang itong function keys para ma-select mo yung different options when it comes to lighting. So, yung lighting niya, yung pinaka-kulay niya is it's still gonna be the same. Ang magbabago lang is kung paano siya umiilaw. So katulad niyan, yellow pa rin dito, medyo orange to reddish dito, bluish to purple dito, and then light blue, and then yun nga, medyo pinkish naman dito sa right side. So other functions when it comes to light, yan. So there are multiple ways on how you can set the lighting depending on your preference. Pwede mo din mabago yung mag-dim or completely turn off kung ayaw mo ng ilaw, and to brighten using the knob here, okay? So yun nga lang, yun lang yung purpose ng knob nito, pa brighten tsaka pa dimmen yung pinaka lights niya. Maganda sana kung nagagamit din siya sa volume, pero I tried kasi using the function keys and yung knob, it doesn't change the volume. Ang volume niya dito lang. Ayan. Although may iba din naman siya mga functions tulad ng music, mute, yan, volume, email, home button, lock, calculator, and yeah, yung brightness ito, another brightness. You can dim or intensify the brightness using the function key. Yun. So, overall, I would say na okay naman siya. Ang number one gripe ko lang talaga sa kanya, after using for about 2 weeks, itong number 2 key and then the letter P, may mga instances na pag nagtatype ka, umiipit siya. So, hindi ko alam kung dahil ba sa keycap yon or dun sa switch mismo. So, blue switch nga pala siya. So, when it comes to the sound, I would say, para sa akin, okay lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kaingay, hindi rin siya ganun katahimik. Pero you can feel na you're typing a mechanical keyboard talaga. Yung mga keycaps niya, another gripe is somewhat medyo parang masyadong plasticky yung dating. At parang manipis siya. Pero one good thing about that, yun nga, yung mga ilaw niya, naglalight din yung mga letters niya, tsaka yung kung ano man yung functions. Unlike sa iba kasi, ang naglalight lang, yung gilid lang. Tapos, yung mga letters, plain na print lang. Pero for this one, kung ano yung kulay nung nasa sa LED, it's still gonna show up on the letters tsaka dun sa keys. So overall, for the price, I would say okay. May kasama din siyang extra keycaps for escape, enter, pati dito sa space bar. Pwede mo kasi siyang palitan ng white ata yun. Nandun sa kahon niya. So, hindi ko matanda kung ano yung... So, pinalitan ko lang siya ng orange. So, yan. So, for the price, I would say it's good enough. Sana may additional din naman pala siyang switch. So, yun yung tatry kong gawin kung if may fix niya yung issue na umiipit si number 2 tsaka si letter P. Other than that, I'm all good on how the sound sounds like when you're typing. The light, it's all good. Nagbe-blend naman siya sa setup ko, so carry lang. So, yun lang guys. If you like this video, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, I would definitely appreciate if you could share the video as well. Again, this is Mr. Bombastic with Zifriend Mechanical Keyboard KA981. Thank you and have a good day.